In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download MS Word on your laptop, PC, or computer. We'll walk through the process step by step in a simple and clear way, so even if you're not very tech-savvy, you'll be able to follow along and get Word installed successfully. First, open your web browser on your computer. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type office.com or microsoft.com and press Enter. This takes you to Microsoft's official site, which is the safest and most reliable place to download Word. Once the page loads, look for the option related to Microsoft 365 or Office. Word is now part of the Microsoft 365 suite, so you'll usually see something like Get Microsoft 365 or Sign in. If you already have a Microsoft account with a subscription, go ahead and sign in with that. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account and choose a plan that includes Word. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete that part. After you're signed in, you should see a dashboard with various Office apps. Look for a button that says Install Office or Install Apps. Click that, and then choose the option that includes Word. Your browser will start downloading an installation file to your computer. This might appear at the bottom of your browser window or in your Downloads folder. When the download is finished, open the installer. On Windows, that will usually be a file ending in .exe. Double-click it to start the installation. If a security prompt appears asking for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes. The Microsoft Office installer will now begin downloading and installing Word and any other apps included in your plan. This can take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed, so be patient and avoid shutting down your computer during this time. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. You can now close the installer. To open Word, click the Start menu on Windows and search for Word, or look for the Word icon on your desktop or in your Applications list. When Word opens for the first time, it may ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account again to activate your license. Enter your details, complete activation, and you're ready to start creating documents. That's all you need to download and install MS Word on your laptop, PC, or computer.